Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. Now, HDFC Mutual Fund has acquired 45 lakh shares of a film exhibition company at Rs 195 yesterday. Now, this is a small cap and Goldman Sachs Variable Insurance Trust and DSP Blackrock Mutual Fund were the sellers in the transaction, with 24,80,345 and 21,13,000 shares sold at the same price. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is Inox Leisure Limited, which is available at Rs 193.70 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is INOXLEISUR. Now, Inox Leisure Limited is engaged in operating multiplex cinema theatres. The company is engaged in the business of film exhibition. The company operates through the theatrical exhibition segment and has 41 properties in West India, 25 in North, 24 in South and 18 in East India. Now, as is evident from the 1 year chart, the company was not doing much for the major part of the year, but of late there has been a sudden vertical fall. The market cap of the company is 1868.39 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS of 12.40 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 15.62, which is much cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 31.48. The book value is 72.59, which translates into a price to book ratio of 2.67, which is also not expensive. The company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding is just about average at 48.70%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This was intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.